A morphology tree diagram is used when we want to know the morphological structure of words. There are two approaches to making a tree diagram. We can do the bottom to top or the top to bottom, which I'll be using with the word neoclassicists. We have here the word neoclassicist, which can be identified as a noun and or an adjective. Neoclassicist is the plural form of the word neoclassicist, and the suffix is "s". Neoclassicist as a noun means an advocate or follower of neoclassicism. We have here an example. The neoclassicists won their triumphs for the decorative functionalism competition. Neoclassicist here is identified as the noun. Now let's define neoclassicist as an adjective. It means relating to or advocating neoclassicism. For example, John and David made a neoclassicist style of art. Neoclassicist here is identified as an adjective. Now, neoclassicist originated from the word neoclassic and classicist. Let's go with the word neoclassic. Neoclassic is an adjective, and the suffix here is the word "ist". On the other hand, classicist is a noun, and the word neo here is the prefix. What is neoclassic? Neoclassic is an adjective. It means belonging or pertaining to a revival of classic styles. Example: the facades of neoclassic landmarks were blown to bits during the sectarian fighting. Neoclassic here is identified as an adjective. Let us now define the word classicist, which is a noun. It means a person who studies classics. Example: the classicists focused on lines and clarity in their compositions. The word classicist here stands as the noun. The word neoclassic here originated from the word classic, which can be identified as a noun and or an adjective. Neo is the prefix word. On the other hand, classicist is also originated from the word classic, and its suffix is the word "ist". Classic as a noun means something that's very high quality, particularly if it has lasting value. For example, the pristine Model T4 that you keep in your garage is a classic, but the one you're driving every day is not. Classic here is a noun. Classic as an adjective means to describe something that relates to ancient Greece or Rome. For example, you can enjoy the classic Greek pillars on the outside of your house but still appreciate the modern plumbing on the inside of it. The word classic here is identified as the word adjective. The word classic is originated from the word class, which can be identified as a noun and or a verb. The suffix word of it is the word "ic". Class as a noun means a set or category of things having some property or attribute in common and differentiated from others by kind, type, or quality. Example: there are 20 students in the class. Class here is identified as the noun. Now let us use the word class as a verb. It means assign or regard as belonging to a particular category. Example: she was classed as a part-time worker. Classed here stands as a verb. So with the help of the tree diagram, we now recognize the morphological structure of the word neoclassicists.